And some breaking news just coming in. Chief Minister of Assam is spoken to India today on this controversy of electronic voting machines. He's avoided a direct answer and said that BJP is winning.
बोलेरो में सर ईवीएम मिला है, तो आप इस पे कुछ भी बोलना चाहेंगे सर? बीजेपी कैंडिडेट का है सर गाड़ी। दादा बीजेपी कैंडिडेट
फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बन रहा है, ये निश्चित है।
नहीं, पर सर ईवीएम मिला है एक प्राइवेट गाड़ी में, कोई
फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बनेगा।
पर सर ईवीएम मिला है गाड़ी में, वो आप लोग के कैंडिडेट का है सर। पाथरकांडी कैंडिडेट कृष्णेंदु पॉल का है सर।
ये तो आपका पास जानकारी।
नहीं सर, ये जानकारी नहीं सर, ये जानकारी तो सर
सुनिए भाई
जी सर,
मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बन रहा है, ये निश्चित।
पर सर ये बड़ा एलिगेशन है सर, लोगों का चुनाव पे से भरोसा ही उठ रहा है सर। So that was incumbent Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal.
All right, Tanushree Pandey, in fact, is going to be joining us from Guwahati for more on that story. She caught up with the Chief Minister, but he's not taking that question. In fact, he's saying the BJP is winning, so clearly evasive on that controversy, given the fact that this particular electronic voting machine was found in the car of a BJP candidate, and that is a bit of a problem there. Tanushree continues to be with us on that story. Tanushree, the Chief Minister refusing to take questions from you. In fact, he says that's your information, that's not something that I have with me, but the BJP is winning Assam.
Absolutely, Sneha. We asked a direct question to the incumbent Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal. That's EVMs have been recovered from your Patharkandi candidate Krishnendu Paul's car. It has been proved that the car, the Bolero car, did belong to your candidate, and now heads have also rolled. The Election Commission have taken a cognizance. In fact, they have ordered a repoll. So what do you have to say on it? He evaded our question. He didn't give a concrete answer, a clear answer, but all he said was the BJP-led alliance is going to come back to power in Assam. So definitely there is a lot of panic on the ground as far as the BJP's top brass is concerned in Assam. Sneha, I can tell you I'm in Guwahati right now, where Congress's big leader Priyanka Gandhi and BJP's big leader JP Nadda both are present for their third leg of campaigning, and there is a lot of political panic which you can sense on the ground. A lot of questions being asked from the BJP ministers as to how the EVMs were recovered from their candidate's Bolero car, and the candidate which fought from Patharkandi constituency, which went to polls yesterday in the second phase of Assam Assembly election. So there is a lot of questioning which BJP has to take, BJP has to answer, but as of now all their ministers have been evading our tough questions, and all they are saying is that trust the Election Commission to give a clarity on this matter, and all we know is that our government is coming back to power in Assam.
Yes.
This is the answer they have been giving.
Tanushree caught up with the Chief Minister of Assam, putting that question. What do you have to say is what Tanushree is asking after, remember, that electronic voting machine was found in the car of a BJP candidate, clearly puts the party in a dock. Listening to what the Chief Minister of Assam had to say.
बोलेरो में सर ईवीएम मिला है, तो आप इस पे कुछ भी बोलना चाहेंगे सर? बीजेपी कैंडिडेट का है सर गाड़ी। दादा बीजेपी कैंडिडेट
फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बन रहा है, ये निश्चित है।
नहीं, पर सर ईवीएम्स मिला है एक प्राइवेट गाड़ी में, कोई
फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बनेगा।
पर सर ईवीएम मिला है गाड़ी में, वो आप लोग के कैंडिडेट का है सर। पाथरकांडी कैंडिडेट कृष्णेंदु पॉल का है सर।
ये तो आपका पास जानकारी।
नहीं सर, ये जानकारी नहीं सर, ये जानकारी तो सर
सुनिए भाई
जी सर,
मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूँ कि फिर से बीजेपी सरकार बन रहा है, ये निश्चित।
पर सर ये बड़ा एलिगेशन है सर, लोगों का चुनाव पे से भरोसा ही उठ रहा है सर। So that was incumbent Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.